Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day. Oh, what a day when we fell in love. Birds sang.
Today's a sad day. The G80 M3 is leaving us. It's going. We've got 1 or 2 more days with it. However, that means a banger of a video for you guys to say goodbye. We're going to be taking it on a spirited drive through some country roads before we say our final goodbye to that car. So a few things in this video that you've got to expect. We've got servicing the G80 M3, so you see the cost of that. We was in the office, we've done a bit of deals. We went and sold one of our CLAs, which was over at the unit. And also, you've got my reaction in the G90 M5, which was insane. So shout out Auto ID and Nathan for that. Also, we went to a Cars and Coffee morning where I forgot my camera. So the G90 M5 reaction and also the Cars at the Cars and Coffee was filmed on my iPhone. We've got all that to come. I'll let you enjoy that, and then we'll jump into the spirited drive of us giving it some around some country roads. Just wanted to get the most out of the car before it went. And we got on the hunt for our new car, which is always fun. Everybody likes buying a car, however stressful it may be. But those of you who've watched previous videos know what I'm kind of looking to get. We're on the hunt for an individual F80 or F82. Our minds may change, but that's what I'm kind of looking at the moment. Let's get into the video. Today could be a sad day for my bank account and for my mind. We are taking the G80 M3 for its service, major service, which means a major L to my bank account. But nevertheless, we're going to jump in the G80 now, take it over to BMW, and we're waiting there all day. I'm close with somebody who works for their group, therefore I'm getting a bit of discount. So that might make things slightly better. However, I highly doubt it. Could be one of the last videos, could not be. I still don't know what I'm doing with this thing. I've got my eye on some F82s and I just want to go crazy. Put some downpipes on it, a tune, get it to like 600 brake horsepower, exhaust. Or do we keep this and do some subtle stuff? Maybe some lower end springs, spacers, front lip, grille, and the wheels. I don't know. Let's see what I'm feeling. That service ended up being £807. But we got some discount, so it's all good. So we managed to get it down to £735 for a major service, which isn't too bad. Done at BMW, so as some of you guys know, I'm thinking about selling it, so that does help when it comes to selling it. So anyway, today we're in the office, back with Luke. Luke's just done like nothing all day.
Would you be?
What have you done?
I'm working on the business, not in the business today.
During working hours?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Because I ain't got much on. I kind of got back to everyone. What do you mean?
So you're waiting on people?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for customers to get back to me, applications to go through. But while that's happening, I ain't gonna waste time.
So what are you doing now?
I built out a new automation workflow, so when we get new inquiries in, instead of them just getting one email, if they're new inquiry, they now get emails over the next 2 weeks, and they get followed up every day. So that's just gonna help with obviously converting more leads.
Let's go. So building the systems. So what is it? We said automate.
Email automation campaign.
Automation campaigns.
Following up with leads and inquiries to make sure that they're still seeing our name when they make an inquiry, essentially.
There you go. Long-term nurture. We've had a GLC get delivered today, and we've got a CLA going out tomorrow. We also just sold a Q3 Sportback, quite a rare spec, panoramic roof, comfort and sound pack, which wasn't even on the net, wasn't even advertised, but one of our contacts managed to get hold of that, one of the managers we know at Audi. What else have we done? Oh yeah, we've done a Audi A3 Edition 1, put that through on finance, so hopefully get a decision on that. Pretty positive Friday. Just sold a CLA Grey Premium Plus. You guys see it in the last video. For those who missed that, go back and watch that. When I filmed, I was doing a TikTok. Somebody popped up to us and wanted a CLA Premium Plus. I thought that was the perfect car. Got them approved on finance, and now they're on the way to the showroom to come and have a look at the car. We're going to look at their part exchange as well. So I'll take you guys along for that, hopefully, if the guy's okay being recorded. If you're not seeing it, then you know the guy's not okay being recorded. Head over there in about 30 minutes and hopefully get that deal all done and dusted. Sign the finance docs
and he can collect that next week. CLA is sold. Bertie come over. He absolutely loved it. We didn't get it on camera, but yeah, there will be customers we will get on camera. But yeah, he absolutely loved it, and yeah, I can see why. So, car just looks immaculate. Now we've done the black pack, freshly powder coated, black wheels, and this one, as I said, it's locked at the moment, but it's got the two-tone red interior on there as well. I'm gonna shoot back to the office, wrap a few things up. It's a Friday, so tomorrow we're going to a car meet. We're going to go to a Cars and Coffee at a supercar showroom, I believe called August Performance. I only heard of them this week, but Sean, who wrapped PPF my car, I see him post on his story, so I thought we'd go there, check out the cars and get some content. We'll see you at the car meet. So, got the G80 here, but I forgot my camera, so we're on the iPhone, and I don't want to get copyrighted for the music, so I'm just going to let the B-roll do the talking.
Every time you write my face, I do wanna say it's you, my babe. I won't be too late.
Bro, it don't stop.
It just keeps pulling every year.
So on the way now to the Peak District to hit some roads, get some spirited driving in, really try and extract the most out of the car before we say goodbye to the G80, because who knows what the future may hold. I can definitely see myself getting another one of these, hands down one of the best cars I've owned, and I think you actually can't really upgrade this car unless you go a Porsche. I'll be honest, attack me in the comments all you want, but like a GTS or something, that's the only thing you can do. And even then, if you went for a GTS, this is the best car. This is the best car. What do you think? At this price point, I think it's the best. Yeah, it's the best. But yeah, let's get into the Peak District and let's see what the roads have to offer us and the G80. On this road, it's the A54, but it looks like it's got average cameras. But if you look at the road, like, you could really have some fun if you didn't have number plates on your car, put it that way. But yeah, this scenery is insane. Like, if you take a look at it, it's crazy. But you see these things here, average speed cameras for 50. So yeah, you gotta go easy, but this looks insane, to be honest. Roads on this bit are a bit tighter than we like, so we're just more taking in the scenery rather than giving it a little bit of a send. So as you can see, we've got two old Range Rovers in front of us. I think we've got Discovery up there, then we've got an old one here. But yeah, the roads are really, really tight.
There's a Porsche coming up.
Old Porsche. But yeah, Peak District. It's kind of cool. So we're here, Peak District. One last send off for the G80. There's been some open roads, but it's been a lot of traffic, and anything where there isn't traffic is a lot of single track roads. My verdict of this car is it's so capable. I feel like, I know there's a lot of crashes online, but with X-Drive you can just jump in the car, and as long as you're respectful to it, anyone can drive it. Rear-wheel drive mode turns it into a different animal, and in my opinion there's nothing else for the money that's anywhere near as capable and as good at doing daily things and pushing it to the limit as this car. You can have fun with it, you can just daily it and poodle around and have fun in it. I just think with the right mods, that maybe an exhaust pipe, definitely lowering spacers and some wheels, you can turn this thing into literally
Like, you don't need anything else at all. It can be your only car, it can be a second car, it can be a third car. This thing is just insane. And in roads like this with the view that we've got, if you come and look behind us now, it's just crazy. You can't hear anything, not one car's come past us. I think people just parked up here just going for walks and stuff. G80 M3, crazy car. Definitely recommend, definitely. It's actually sad letting this thing go, man. I think with the Saturn PPF, just think it made this car feel really special. I'm gonna miss it. It's probably my first proper performance car, I'd say. Don't get me wrong, the M2 was good. Obviously got the E46 M3 still. This is just the next level. I know there's obviously a lot better cars out there, like you got GT3s and stuff that you can bring out here, but I just think with the English roads, I think this setup is just so good. That balance of everything just works perfect. So yeah, it is sad times. It is sad times. Do I actually let it go? Is it too late to pull out? I don't know. I think if I get F80 or F82, I'll forget about it really quickly. But for now, I'm grieving. It's sad. It's sad. So that's it. I have 1.4 miles left in the G80. I'm actually sad, you know. I'm actually sad. I feel like I'm losing a friend or something. This car has been so sick. Definitely getting another one. Like 100%. Another one has to come because this is the greatest car of all time. Don't even care. For everything, innit? Yeah, it's actually crazy. We've just been having a fun drive that I'm not trying to put on camera too much. So I don't want to get banned or whatever. One really capable car, so definitely need to get myself back in one of these in the future. That's me and the G80 signing out forever. See you in the next one.